Mom, I think someone is watching us.
It's okay, sweetheart.
I don't see anyone.
Everything is ready. Now the real magic begins.
Stay together. The footprints continue this way.
We're coming, Emily.
Look! There's a clue!
Someone was here.
Move in carefully. No! They found us!
Dad!
Emily! Stay where you are!
You'll never catch me!
We'll split into 3 teams. I'll search the cabins.
We'll check the tunnels. Emily, hold on.
Help me. Wow! Look at all the balloons. This is the best day ever.
Stay close, everyone. Let's enjoy the magic show together. Welcome, everyone!
This is amazing. I can't wait.
There you are. Perfect.
Mom, I think someone is watching us.
It's okay, sweetheart.
I don't see anyone.
I need one brave volunteer.
Me, I'll help.
Go ahead, sweetheart. Exactly what I wanted.
Come here, young lady.
Wow, this box is beautiful.
Would you like to help me with a magic trick?
Yes.
Everything is ready. Now the real magic begins.
Wolt World Magic.
World magic fun.
Where's my daughter?
This isn't funny! She was just here!
She was just here.
Wait, this isn't part of the show. Hehehe. The show isn't over yet.
Mom.
Search everywhere!
Emily, where are you?
Close every exit.
Please come back. Please, let me go.
Oh, don't be afraid. We're going to play a very special game.
Dad, I hope you find this.
Sir, I found this.
That's Emily's ribbon!
She's still nearby. Stay together. The footprints continue this way.
We're coming, Emily. I won't give up. Dad will find me, but I can stay brave.
Are you behaving?
Yes?
Good. Tomorrow will be unforgettable.
Almost. I can reach it. Please, open. Click. I found the way.
Leaving already?
Who are you?
The mystery isn't over yet.
I have to keep running!
Wait!
Can anyone see this?
Where did that scarf come from? Look! There's a clue!
Someone was here.
Move in carefully.
Attention to fetus. Move in carefully.
No! They found us!
Dad!
Emily! Stay where you are! don't be afraid! You'll never catch me!
I can do this. I'll find my family.
Emily.
Emily! This way!
I think I found the exit.
You can't hide forever!
Help!
We'll surround the building!
There's another way inside.
Let's check the tunnel. You can't hide forever!
Dad! I can see you!
Emily! Keep running!
Almost. Now.
Dad, please find me.
Emily! Answer me!
They're getting closer.
Almost. I can reach it. Please don't jam. It worked! Dad, follow these. You'll find me.
What a strange place.
Emily! We'll split into 3 teams. I'll search the cabins.
We'll check the tunnels. Emily, hold on.
Help me.
I thought I heard something.
Emily? It's Emily's shoe! This could be an important clue.
They're looking the wrong way.
Maybe this leads outside. Someone's coming.
Hello? Is anyone here?
Emily, don't be afraid. Emily, stay close.
Thank you.
Can you show me the way out?
This circus closed many years ago.
There are many hidden passages to explore. Then let's see what we can discover. If someone sees these balloons, they'll know where to look.
That's a wonderful idea.
There you are! What are those balloons doing?
The distraction worked. Dad! I'm over here!
I see the light! We're almost there!
What?
There's another way in. Keep moving!
Over here!
I have to get outside!
Watch out! Everyone stay back! Emily!
Dad!
Until next time.
You're under arrest. So the show is finally over.
Dad, it's over.
You're safe now.